So for this dress, I'll be using a doll face material. 1 yard is okay for me. It's just to turn it inside. And then I have cut out my stripe, the base of the organza. I have cut it out and I used hard gum stay to make it stay. Okay, then this is the organza I'm going to use in place of the nets used in the inspiration style. This is the organza, 2.5 yards here. So then I have my zipper. This is a zipper I'll be using for the zipper at the back. Then the matching thread, very important matching thread. Then I have this material, the cotton material for the lining, to line the clothes to turn it over. I have a good finishing of the same color. Ensure you have a matching color for all your material. And then we have the nets I'll be using for the upper bodies. Of course, in the inspiration style, they just use I think satin for the upper bodies, but I will be using a net, to have even a more beautiful, dress at the end of the day. I'm sewing a ball dress for baby girls, and I'm sewing it for my daughter. So I want you to stay tuned as I take you through the journey of sewing. And then, lastly, we have our beads for the accessory, the trimmings. We have our beads. So we have the beads there, which I'll be gluing. So thank you. Stay tuned as I continue with the sewing. So this is me sewing. I'm already sewing the dress, the baby girl party dress. I've already showed the inspiration style. So I'm already sewing the upper part of the gown, where I make use of the lace material, the doll face material for the lining. Then I'll go ahead and sew the lower part where I'll be gathering the organza material. I would attach the doll face material that I've added the hard net to the base to. I'll attach it to the organza material, after which I've gathered. And then I would also give a base of the inner hard nets, that I'll be using. I'll be using a hard net to give it the bouncing effect, and of course the cotton material for the lining, for toning of the clothes, to give it a good finishing. So then after which I would couple everything together, join them together to have the beautiful baby girl dress that we intend to sew. Alright. Wow! So people, our gown is ready. Our beautiful gown is ready finally. The gown was actually made for my daughter and she loved it. She rocked it very well. She was excited wearing it. She loved everything. She thanked me. So I'm sure this is a side of me I never told you. Yes, I didn't tell you that I can actually sew. Yes, this is another side of me. So if you like this video, please feel free to give it a thumbs up and then comment in the comment box to tell me if I actually eat it. I mean, did very well by copying, replicating the inspiration style, and then what I came up with.
This video, please like, share, and comment. God bless you.